Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy and consider subscribing. So first things first, we need to stain our wood. So I chose the color espresso. I did not use gloves, but I highly recommend that you do. I did not have stencils. I chose to freehand the word welcome. Because I was using acrylic based paint, it was very thin, so I had to go back over my letters. This was a little tedious, but I was very pleased with the outcome. Looking back on it, I wish I had started a little ways down on the board because I wanted to add some greenery and a bow. To take some of the attention off the bottom of the board, I added some twine. So the easiest way that I've found to make a bow is to take and make 2 loops and then tie them in the middle. I found by doing it this way, it allows me to create and fluff the loops. If you guys have a better way of making a bow, please drop that in the comments. I would love to try it. So next I just took some of my twine and wrapped it, or I guess pulled it through the loop, the bow tie, and then I attached it to the top of the board. Looking back at this, I don't know that this was a proper way to do that. I probably shouldn't have stapled towards myself, but more so away. I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue to the bow to kind of put it in a place where I want it to stay, while also adding the greenery. When applying the glue, I applied it more towards the end of the stem so it would not be all over my sign. Once I had everything glued down, I just kind of bent the leaves a little bit and just kind of fluffed to get it just right. Here is the finished product. I absolutely love it. I actually made one for my mother-in-law because she came over and saw it and wanted one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.